What's going on, guys? Dave here, working on the 2016 Ford Mustang. I'm using the program called Forscan, if you are familiar. It's a brilliant software that you install on your laptop, and you have to have a special OBD2 cable as well. I'm not going to go into all that, so if you're not familiar with this program, go to forscan.org. and I can tell you all about it. Basically, Forscan is a program that allows you to do all kinds of modifications to particular settings on your Ford vehicle. And I mean, some of them are meaningless, some of them are very useful. Here's one I'm doing. Like, if you notice if you just click your turn signal down like halfway, it will flash usually 3 times indicating you're changing lanes, and it will turn off automatically. Well, you can actually modify that. You can make it 4 flashes, which I think is actually a little bit more useful for me. So you just click in there and just put whatever value you want. So I'm doing that. And it will tell you to turn off the ignition and turn it back on. So just follow the instructions after you click the selections you want. Go down to right there, and it will instruct you what to do. Anyway, this is a brilliant program. If you're not familiar with it, I highly recommend you look into it, because it can help you modify certain annoying things that you may want to get rid of, or enable certain things that you can't enable with the regular vehicle settings. Just do some Googling and you'll be surprised about what Forscan can do for you. And I'm in no way affiliated with that company. Anyway, just wanted to show you that one real quick. And just have a look at certain things here. And this is only one module. This is called the SCCM module for these particular options. Anyway, have a look through all that. You'll be surprised what you find. Anyway, check out our channel. We got all kinds of cool stuff related to cars, motorcycles, dirt bikes, Harley Davidsons, motocross bikes, lawnmowers, trimmers, leaf blowers, fixing stuff around the house, and who knows what else. So subscribe to our channel and be ready for any future entries, as they are coming regularly. We'll see y'all later.